गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू डेली मार्केट मंत्रा विद एसएमसी, जहां हम मार्केट अपडेट्स, टेक्निकल अपडेट्स और बाकी सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक अपडेट्स डिस्कस करेंगे टू हेल्प यू गेट एन एज इन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी. So let's begin with the global market updates for today. The markets may see a green start as indicated by the global markets. Asian stocks rose on Friday on course for a third week of gains, while the dollar was on the back foot as fresh signs of an easing US labor market stoked optimism around interest rate cuts this year ahead of next week's crucial inflation data. US stocks rose Thursday as more evidence showed the US labor market continued to cool, reviving hopes for a rate cut by the fall. Oil poised for third consecutive day of gains, boosting weekly performance on US jobs data hinting at Fed rate cuts, supporting risk assets. Back at home, Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, Cipla, Bank of Baroda, ABB India, Union Bank of India, Polycab India, Bank of India, Thermax, Aarti Industries, Cholamandalam Financial Holdings, Dr. Lal Path Labs, Finolex Industries, Dilip Buildcon, Sharda Cropchem, and Great Eastern Shipping are among the major firms scheduled to announce their March quarter results today. As per provisional figures, the foreign institutional investors, the FIIs, or the foreign portfolio investors, the FPIs, sold shares worth net 6994.86 crore and domestic institutional investors bought shares worth net 5642.53 crore on 9th May 2024. गिफ्ट निफ्टी 0.22% के गेन के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है, इंडिकेटिंग अ पॉजिटिव स्टार्ट. सेंसेक्स वाज डाउन बाय 1.45% एंड क्लोज्ड एट 72404. बैंक निफ्टी क्लोज्ड एट 47487 with a loss of 1.11%. Nifty closed at 21957 with a loss of 1.55%. Nifty future also closed at 22075 with a loss of 1.43%. US markets को देखते हैं. Dow Jones was up by 0.85% and Nasdaq Composite was up by 0.27%. Sector specific updates देखें तो IT and auto are the sectors which are likely to outperform and साथ ही underperform करने वाले sectors रहेंगे pharma and FMCG. Let's talk about the macro news now. Japan posted a current account surplus of 3.3 trillion yen in March, the Ministry of Finance said on Friday, up 44% from the previous year. That was shy of expectations for a surplus of 3.4 trillion yen, but was up from 2.6 trillion yen in February. Imports were down 3.8% on year to 8.8 trillion yen, while exports added an annual 6.5% to 9.3 trillion yen for a trade surplus of 491 billion yen. The capital account saw a shortfall of 27.7 billion yen, while the financial account had a surplus of 2.4 trillion yen. तो ये थे आज के अपडेट्स फ्रॉम एसएमसी ग्लोबल. ऑल द सोशल्स हैव बीन लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. मिलते हैं कल फिर कुछ न्यू अपडेट्स के साथ. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू एसएमसी ग्लोबल्स यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर मोर सच अपडेट्स. थैंक यू.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.